Right, welcome to the final part of Rosie's adventure. So I'm going to go back through the game quickly and show you the different branching paths and yeah, the different prizes at the end. So if we go back through, so in this first scene, previously we chose set me up, so if we do don't set me up. Nah, he's out of my league. He's far too ravishing. Don't be silly, woman. You're hot as fuck. I'm telling him. No, Anna! Sam, my sister thinks you're a fine specimen of a man and lusts after you. Sure, why not? Fancy coming to MacBusted? And then we chose these two options. So if we go, yes, my favourite band. Really? That's unexpected. It's a date then. And so it begins. What does? Our true love story. Okay then, I'm instantly regretting this decision. Too late, we're together now, you have no choice. And then we skip ahead again. So it kind of joins back into the same path. Then we go back to the Sean thing. So yeah, if we do the Pokemon thing again. So we've done these two. And we did fight. Yeah, there's multiple paths here. So if I show you the fighting again, but the different options for that, and then I'll go over the talking later. So what will Rosie do? Fight. Rosie uproars. Causes an uproar. What will Rosie do? She fights again. Death stare. Super effective. Dad faints. Call the ambulance or leave for dead. So this time we can leave for dead, see what happens. Game over. Dad feels betrayed and rips up the poem piece. So yep, you can have game over screens in this. We continue, and then we restart the chapter. So now this time we can talk. Rosie used to charm. I love you. I love motorbikes, Harley Davidsons particularly. While Dad fled, Dad dropped a poem piece. So yeah, that's basically what happens there. Now if we go left, once we've got millionaire again, we've already done all the lifelines and things, so if we pick a wrong answer, then it's just game over. So that's pretty self-explanatory there. And then we've got Dynamo again. And if you go, yeah, if you go no, yes, and then say yes, do you like game over screens? Obviously, you're going to get a game over. Here you go, the game over screen you requested. You could also say yes straight away, and it just goes skips straight ahead. And then you got robbed up the wrong way. So here, I think all the falses lead to game over. So Rosie likes Sam, false. Game over. I can't do a Welsh accent, I'm afraid. Wrong. Stop kidding yourself. You love him more than Reese's and Lint combined. You'd happily trade Anna for him. He's everything you've always dreamed of. And I think so we've got to go for each one. It's true. And then Sam is a hunky monkey. False. Wrong. How could you not think he is? Hugh Jackman may have the abs, but I bet he's not got the full package like Sam. As if you know what I mean. Yeah, she has had an obsession with Hugh Jackman. So then we got say it true. So Sam is a brilliant present giver. Wrong. What do you mean he isn't? Considering the thoughtfulness and cost of the gifts, you must be impossible to please. I'll tell him to give them all to me. Sam is the best boyfriend a girl could ask for. False. Wrong. You think you could get better? What guy could possibly have what Sam doesn't. He is the epitome of boyfriend and no one else comes close. And quite fun writing this script, as you can probably tell. Rosie is better at winning than Sam. Let's go for true. Wrong. You seriously think you can beat Sam? How many times have you tried and failed to win at something? By getting this wrong, you have just lost again. So yeah, that's all of those. So if we go back through it properly. And then yeah, we meet the real Rob behind it. And then we kicked it before, so we can punch and ask nicely. So if let's do punch this time. Rosie punches Rob and breaks his teeth. He'll never smile again. Ah, my beautiful smile. Why did you do that? Well, you wouldn't give me the poem piece. I was only messing. I won't be revenge you, psycho. Well, sorry, I get violent when I'm competitive. You shouldn't stand in my way. You can always get dentures anyway. You smash my teeth, so my joyous look is forever lost. And all you can say, just take your stupid poem piece and go. Rosie received a poem piece, but she's forever lost a friend. So very similar to the kick one. And then, yeah, I have to show you the Ask Nice run in a bit. And then, yeah, the strange encounter. So yeah, there's different ones here. So we took red pill, strange thing. So if we do blue pill, game over. Rosie takes LSD and ends up running through Weatherspoons naked with the most terrifying face. Sensing their impending doom, the regulars take up arms and wrestle her to the ground. Like a possessed person, she screams to have vengeance on everyone. Rosie is arrested for public indecency. And this is a very funny photo that we got of her at some point. I don't know where that was, but yeah, it's quite amusing. I'm going to quit so then we can load up the Ask Nicely thing very quickly so I can speed through it again. Right. Let's just do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. Oh. So yeah, if you ask nicely, it's like, please Rob, can I have it? Sam's been making me hunt everywhere for these poxy pieces. Seeing as you asked her nicely and were mates, why'd he make you search for them anyways? It's his idea of romance. That's really messed up. It's a really messed up way of proving you love someone. You're telling me, if anything, the fact I'm going through all this turmoil shows how much I love him. Well, I hope he appreciates all the effort you've gone to. Take care. See you later. Rosie receives that poem piece. So if we walk away this time, game over. You failed to take drugs from a stranger. While this is technically the right choice, it's not a very badass thing to do. Stop being boring. You're playing a game. You're supposed to make stupid choices which bring dire consequences. Live a little. You have multiple lives after all. I think it's a pretty good lesson for any game. So yeah, strange encounter. So we take the red pill and we get started with the checkpoint. So Rosie runs down the corridor. So if we run, game over. Rosie tries to outrun Wendy, but she's not fast enough and is devoured. So pretty freaky photo just found on Google. So we hide, as we did before. Then we've got shortcut or safe. So if we go to safe, Rosie finds a basement, goes down to hide under, so it essentially skips the shortcut bit. Now, before we ignore this, if we open it, a wolf leaps out from the trapdoor. Do nothing or kick. Well, I don't know, instinct might be to kick it away. Whoa, dude, what the fuck? That was totally uncalled for, man. What you talk? I thought you were gonna eat me.
Yo, dude, if anything can eat you, it'll be that Wendy, bro. Now, if you excuse me, I'm out of here, man.
But I need your help. The wolf runs off. Rosie escapes the basement, but hears screams coming from another room. Well, let's ignore it this time. Rosie ignored the screams and continued on into the main lobby. Game over. Rosie runs into Wendy and is unable to protect herself. She is devoured. So obviously before we had both a gun and Anna. So you know, obviously we need one of those to help protect ourselves. So go back. We hide. So we could go say shortcut, and we could this time say don't take. So we don't take the gun. Go down to the basement. We can open that, but this time instead of kicking the wolf, we do nothing.
Hey, thanks for saving me, man. That Wendy foe trapped me down here, and I was sure to eat me later, bro.
You talk? Do you think you can help me get out of here?
Bruh, there's no way you was escaping without taking that Wendy, yo.
How do I do that then?
She has an Achilles heel, but because she's got so fat, it's covered up, and bullets just bounce right off her, man. Her foot is the only fat-free part, so shoot that Wendy toe.
The wolf runs off. So that's a good little hint there on how to defeat her, if you didn't guess it. Obviously, I already knew last time. So this time let's investigate. So obviously back to this scenario. So last time we saved Hannah. But let's save both. Let's not be selfish. There we go. Rosie tries to save Dad and Anna, but isn't quick enough. She is devoured. So back through again. So let's keep the don't take for now. Let's ignore this since we've already done that. Let's save neither. I'm so sorry, but I don't have time to save either of you, and I don't want to choose between you both.
So you're just gonna let us both die? What kind of monster are you? I'm your friggin' sister. Darling, I know it's tough, but if you don't save your old man, you're never getting a Harley Davidson.
I'm sorry, guys. My mind's made up. Gotta go. See ya.
Don't do this, Rosie. I'll never forgive you. No, you're no longer my favourite.
Rosie runs off into the lobby, leaving Dad and Anna behind. Game over. Rosie runs into Wendy's, unable to protect herself. She is devoured. Okay. So let us, again, don't take that, but let us save the Dad this time. I'm so sorry, Anna, but I have to save Dad. He's far more useful in situations like this than you are.
Rosie, don't you dare do this to me. Dad's past it. You need youth on your side, girl. Girl power. Darling, you're making the right choice, as my expertise will come in handy. I can cope having just the one daughter. In fact, it'd be easier.
I'm sorry, Anna. My mind's made up. Gotta go. See ya.
No, I hate you both.
Rosie and Dad run off into the lobby, leaving Anna behind.
Thanks for saving me, darling. I owe you one.
Game over. Rosie and Dad run into Wendy and have no weapons. They are devoured. So essentially the same thing would happen with Rosie and Anna. So you need the gun to actually get through. So this time we'll take it. Let's save that again. As Rosie and Dad run through the lobby, an almighty roar can be heard.
What on earth was that noise?
Wendy, no, it can't be.
Darling, what are we going to do?
I've got a gun. I have to kill it. It's the only way. Can you distract it so I've got a chance to aim?
That's suicidal. I know I owe you, but that's insane.
Look, we're both dead unless we do this.
Okay, darling, you have a point. I guess I can give it a shot.
Dad yells at Wendy and grabs its attention. So yeah, before we obviously hit that, so if we hit the barrel, boom, game over. Rosie shoots the trusty red barrel, which is always useful in games when in a tight spot, but not this one. It just blows up and kills everyone. So again, let's quickly run through this. Oh, I didn't mean to ignore that. Dear. So if we shoot the chest, game over. Rosie shoots Wendy's upper body, but a bullet rebounds and kills Rosie. So obviously the wolf's tip is really helpful here, because you might shoot the chest, as it seems like the logical place. So it's a bit of a trick one, that is. But now if we do it properly, so we shoot the toe. Rosie shoots Wendy's toe, causing it to topple over in pain. It hits its head and dies, being crushed by a second weight.
Darling, you saved us. That was quite wonderful.
Come on, Dad, let's just get out of here.
What's wrong, Rosie, my dear? We're saved. It's a joyous moment.
It won't bring Anna back, though, will it? There's no happy outcome. I feel really lightheaded.
Rosie, what's wrong?
I think I'm gonna pass.
Rosie, dear, stay with me now.
Dad, Anna, Sam, everyone.
Come on, darling. It's not time yet. I can't lose $2 now.
I'm sorry.
Darling!
Rosie faints. Final chapter. So yeah, we've obviously gone through this. And yeah, that is that. And the same as before, the credits. And then we have the last boxes. So before, I think we went for the middle one. So we go for 1. Congratulations, you've won tickets to see Thriller live. So same image before, but obviously different prize in hand. And yeah, we did go to see that. It's really cool. And then yeah, I will quickly show you the other prize. And so in box 3 we have, congratulations, you've won £100 shopping spree. So again, replace the money there, and yeah, fun little image there. So yeah, she got all 3 of those presents and the poem. So it's pretty good, good little package. I was quite pleased with. But yeah, if you've made it all this way, thank you very much for watching my strange game, and I hope you don't judge me. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.